This is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic real numbers. Set of real numbers denoted with the letter R. Part 1. In this part, definition of real number and belonging examples. Okay, the first, what is the set of real numbers? The union of rational and irrational numbers means total rational numbers and irrational numbers. Set of rational and irrational numbers is known as real numbers. Set of real numbers. Okay. So, set of real numbers containing two types of numbers, which are rational and irrational numbers. Both are called real numbers. So, real numbers denoted with R. R is equal to set of real numbers. R is equal to set of rational numbers union set of irrational numbers. So, set of rational numbers denoted with Q and set of irrational numbers denoted with Q dash. So, R is equal to Q union Q dash. Okay. So, real numbers means all rational numbers and irrational numbers. All are called real numbers. Okay. Right. So, what is rational number? All you have learned in 8th class. Rational numbers. Rational set of rational numbers denoted with Q. So, the numbers which can be expressed in the form P by Q, Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. So, rational numbers are in the form P by Q. Rational numbers are in the form P by Q are called rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 10, here one common, 10, 0, 0 can be written as 0 by 1. These are all rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers are in the form P by Q. Here Q does not equal to 0. Why means if Q 0 divided by 0 is undefined, that's why we don't take Q equal to 0. So P by Q formula, the numbers which are in P by Q are called rational numbers. Right? Set of rational numbers Q. It's a set builder form. Q is equal to X saturated, X equal to P by Q. And Q does not equal to 0. Here P comma Q belongs to integers. Right? Next, irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? Very simple. The numbers which are not rational are called irrationals. So, irrationals means the numbers which cannot be expressed in the P by Q form. So, irrationals can't express in P by Q form are called irrationals. Okay. So, Q dash is equal to irrationals. X such that X does not equal to P by Q form. Here Q not equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to I. Okay. Here small difference is there. The numbers which can be expressed in the form P by Q are called rational, otherwise irrationals. So, rationals are in P by Q form, but irrationals are not in P by Q form. Okay, right. For example, irrationals example. Root 2, root 3, root 5 like this. These are all irrationals. Okay. And we can write some more examples, irrationals. 1.27, 12752, like this. So, this is also an irrational number. Irrationals are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Yes. Rational numbers 1 by 2. It is a rational number. Its decimal form is 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5. It's a decimal form. So this decimal is terminating decimal 0.5. It is stopped. So it is terminating decimal. Yes. Next to 1 by 5 can be written as 0.2. It is also terminating decimal. Next, 2 by 5. It's a decimal form. By dividing 2 with 5, 0.4. These are all terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. Okay. Next, 1 by 3. It is also a rational number which is in P by Q form. Its decimal form is, its decimal form. After dividing 1 with 3, like this. Keep point 0. 3 3s are 9, 1, 0, 3 3s are 9. So it is going on endlessly. Its value is 0.333 and so on. So it is non-terminating. Repeating decimal, it is not stopped and repeating 0.3333 like this. Okay, so it can be written as 0.3 bar. By using bar, we can write like this. So here 3 bar means 3 is repeated number, 0.3 bar. It is non-terminating, repeating decimal. Non-terminating, repeating decimal. Okay, so from this we conclude that rational numbers are either terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, so rational numbers are either terminating decimals or non-terminating repeating decimal. And one more example, 2 by 3. So what is the value of 2 by 3? Divide 2 with 3. Keep point 0, 3 6 are 18, 2, 0, 3 6 are, here 6 is repeated. So 2 by 3 value is 0.666 like this. It is going on endlessly. It can be written as 0.6 bar. It is also non-terminating repeating decimals. Finally, we conclude that rational numbers are either terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. But in irrationals are irregular, like these are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay, so for example, 2.70218742 and so on. So by observing this decimal, it is not stopped under, here there is no repeated number. So 702, 2 after 1 come, 8 7 4, again 2 come, 4 after 2. So like this, by observing this, it is non-terminating, it is not stopped on a non-repeating decimal. So it is irregular, it going on irregularly. So it is called irrational number. So irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Irrationals are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay. Next, root 2 also an irrational. So its value is 1.414 and so on like this. It is also non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Root 3 value also 1.732 and so on. It is also non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So it is called irrationals. So finally we conclude that irrationals are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Next, period and periodicity of a decimal. Yes. 2.62 bar. It is non-terminating, repeating decimal. 2.62 bar. So 2.62 bar can be written as 2 point. Here 62 is a repeating number. 62, 62, 62 and so on. Okay. So in this, what is period? What is periodicity? Period means the repeating number is called period. Here the repeating number is 62. 62 is a repeated number. So 62 is the period. Here period is equal to 62. So once again listen. Period means in non-terminating repeating decimal, the repeating number means under bar. The number under bar is called period. So what is periodicity? Periodicity means in repeated repeated number, how many digits are there? Means number of digits under bar. How many digits are there? 1, 2. 2 digits are there. So 2 is called periodicity. Once again listen. Period means the number under bar, means the repeated number 62, 62, 62, 62. 62 is period. And periodicity means number of digits in repeated number. How many digits are there? 2. 1, 2. So 2 is the periodicity. When given decimal forms, how we convert into P by Q form? Okay, yes. Let me do an example. Example 1. 0.2 bar. It is non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Now we have to convert into P by Q form. Here we use one shortcut. Very simple. Is equal to. It's P by Q form. Yes. First we have to write the total number without decimal, without bar. So that is 2. 0, 2 means 2. 2 minus the number without bar. The number without bar, that is 0. 0 by. What is here? Periodicity. Here periodicity is 1. So we keep 19. That's it. Listen once again. First to write a total number without bar, without point. That is 2 minus the number without bar. That is 0. 0 by. Here periodicity is 1. Just we keep 19. That is equal to 2 minus 0, 2 by 9. So the P by Q form of 0.2 bar is 2 by 9. Listen second example carefully. 0.13 bar is equal to, come on, first write a total number without bar, without point, that is 13. 013 means 13. 13 minus without the number without bar, that is 0. 0 by. Here periodicity is 2. So we keep 2 nines here. That is equal to 13 minus 0, 13 by 9. So this is the one of the method. It is very, very important method. By using this method, we can write the P by Q forms easily and fastly and correctly. The third one, 2.74 bar. Come on, do it. 2.74 bar. So first you have to write the total number without decimal, without bar. That is 274. 274 minus the number without bar. That is 2 minus 2 by. Here periodicity is 2. So we keep 2 nines. That's it. So if periodicity 1 means we keep 1 9 in the denominator. Here 2 means 2 nines. 2 means 2 nines. If 3 means you keep 3 nines. 274 minus 2, that is equal to 272 by 99. That is a P by Q form. And one more example. 7.129 bar. So how we convert into P by Q form? By using this method, we can write very easily. So first write a total number without decimal, without bar. That is 7129. 7129 minus the number without bar. That is 7. 7 has no bar. So 7 by. Here periodicity is 3. So we keep 3 nines. That is equal to 7129 minus 7. 7122 by 999. So this is P by Q form. Okay.